Salutations and welcome back to a new episode of Separate and Cypher's channel! Alright, so today we got Tyrannosaurus. We have the Jurassic Park 93 Classic right here. It is the real feel. If you push it down here, it makes a sound, but the mouth does not move. You can put mini toys inside there. It goes to the belly. You can open it up here. Right there. And we got the DNA scan right there on its thigh. Tail made of rubber. It's a real feel right there. We will compare to the new. It is another Tyrannosaurus from Jurassic Park 93 Classic Off-Road Tracker Pack. So we're gonna be unboxing this big boy right here. It's got a T-Rex, a Jeep. You got Dr. Ray Arnold in there with a spear. And what is that? We also have its capture gear. It's included, so it's super sweet. We also have his vest. We got Ray's vest in it. Okay, so we'll unbox it. We're gonna check it out. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh, what? Really? Okay, we open it up. Let's check it out. Nice. There we go. There you go. It's outside now. Let's unbox. Let's check out Dr. Arnold first. Let's bring him out with his spear. He's got his red gloves. We don't know why he had red gloves, not his lab coat. He's got his glasses on too. So you can take off the vest, but we're not doing that right now. We'll take out the spear. Oh, goodness. Oh, okay. So he holds it that way. Like a gun. Wow, it won't even go in. Okay. So it's about to throw it, right? Whoosh. Alright. Let's bring out this gear. How do you bring out the wheels? Okay, I see. Of course, it's this again. Okay. Is it out? No? There. Okay. Take this out. So it's also like the classic Jeep back then. 27, let's check it out. Okay. Sticker. Let me see. It says 2023. A year ago. Okay, you can put another action figure, like a driver in it. And he stands right there, throwing the spear. See? Look at that, huh? Alright. So the vehicle has no special features in it. Pretty much nothing. But I think you can put the spear over here in the hole. And there you go. See? So it goes there. The spear goes right there. It's not straight anymore. I think I bend it. Here's. Okay, now we're gonna bring out our T-Rex. Okay, it's also locked. Okay. They really lock it well. Goodness. I wonder why. Wow. Alright, we got him out, but we didn't have the tail yet. Let's bring out the tail. Okay. So this is our very first yellow and dark blue T-Rex. It's like a gray or dark blue. Okay, is it in? Okay, it's in. So it's nice. There's no sound in it. You push it here. It's a different head sculpt again. It's like a young T-Rex here. So this is its lock. Let's take it out first. Okay. Looks like I have to glue this. It's gonna lose. So here's our T-Rex. Another T-Rex for our collection. Let's check the DNA scan. There you go. It has a smaller snout now compared to this red T-Rex, you can tell. Right. You see that? So it's a little smaller too. The red one's still bigger. Totally different head sculpt. The jaw is different. The snout is shorter. Okay. What else can it do? You just... So that's pretty much it. It's on the head. You push the button, it opens up the mouth. Nice color though. Not bad. I like it. Okay. Now we're gonna put its... What do you call it again? Capture gear. Let's lock him up so I can't really run. There you go. What else is missing? Ugh. Okay, we got it out, so we'll put it in. How does it go? So you lock it. Oh, I see. There you go. You open it up like that. You make it fit. So that's... Does it go that way? Oh, wrong. Silly. So like... Okay. So like that then. Okay, so there you have it. His lock. So that's what it looks like. You can put something here. Another plastic chain. There you have it. See? So that's what it looked like. Alright. Okay guys, once again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thank you. You guys have a good day. We'll see you in the next video. Yeah. We'll probably go to the... We could be doing a Dominion. We're going back to Dominion, guys. Okay, we'll see you Friday or Saturday. Thank you again. Have a good one.